Okay, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to save to Google Docs from Word file, computer Word file. So I will show you how you can do this. So first open your Google Drive and then get the new Google Docs from here. Okay, so let it open. Now just you can rename it. Okay, Word to Google Doc. You can rename whatever you want. I just rename it like Word to Docs. Okay, now just open, click on open, or you can click on file, go to the open, and here you have to click on upload. Just upload file from your computer, your Word file. So I have Word file here, this one. So now it will be uploaded in Google Docs. So yeah, it is open now. Yeah, you can see this file has been opened in separately, but this is same file. Now just close first one, and now it is automatically saved in drive. You don't need to save, just rename if you want, and it will be saved. Just go to the Google Drive and just refresh. You can see the file has been saved. Okay, so you can delete your first file, it is also saved. Okay, so this is your second file which I just opened. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.